Hello students, now we are taking the fourth problem on admission of a partner. In this problem, goodwill case is written in the business only, and what is the different thing here? Here old provision is given in the problem here. Debtors in the old balance sheet and old provision means old provision for doubtful debts is given in this problem. In this case, how to solve the problems you have to show here. In this problem, Raja Rani are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2 and their balance sheet as on 31st/3/2018 was as follows. 31st/3/2018 is the ending date of the accounting year, and on that date balance sheet is given here. Balance sheet as on 31st/3/2018. Liabilities rupees, assets rupees. Liabilities are creditors 40,000, bills payable 20,000, general reserve 25,000, and capitals of Raja Rani, Raja 60,000, Rani 40,000, and total capital becomes here 1 lakh. And on asset side, cash rupees 5,000, machinery rupees 60,000, stock rupees 25,000, and debtors 23,000, and less old provision 3,000, and here becomes our total debtors 20,000. Buildings 50,000, investments 20,000, P&L account 5,000. P&L account means it is a loss on old balance sheet, loss in the old balance sheet or loss of the old partners. Here balance sheet total is 1,85,000 and here also 1,85,000. And adjustments is given as follows. On 1/4/2018 they admitted Mantri as the new partner and after him 1/5 share in the future profits on the following terms. So first one adjustment is Mantri has to bring in rupees 30,000 as his capital. 30,000 is a capital of new partner. Mantri is capital. And 10,000 towards goodwill. And nothing is mentioned about the goodwill treatment. So you treat it as a goodwill is written in the business only. So next one, depreciate machinery by 5%. Appreciate building by 10%. PDD is reduced to rupees 2,000. It is a main important thing here. PDD is reduced to rupees 2,000 and investments are to be revalued at rupees 25,000. Revaluation ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೈತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ investment value 25,000. And prepare revaluation account, partners capital account, balance sheet after admission of a new partner. So in this problem, only thing different is that debtors old provision is given and here reduced PDD is given in the adjustment. Only thing it is a different here. First, we have to prepare revaluation account. For the revaluation account, you only take the assets. In the revaluation account, only assets decreased and increased, liabilities decreased and increased should be taken in the revaluation account. So here, first adjustment is about only capital and goodwill, and this is related to partners capital account. Partners capital account. And next adjustment is depreciation machinery. It is decrease in the value of assets and increase in the value of asset. And it is also decrease in the value of asset. These three adjustments are taken in the revaluation account. Depreciation machinery, appreciation building, and PDD, and investments unrecorded here. Sorry, investment revalued, it is 25,000. These four adjustments should be taken in the revaluation account. So let's start the revaluation account. Draw the lines first. 4 columns you need here. Particulars rupees, and put the debit and credit there. So on the debit side, you take the decrease in the value of asset and increase in the value of liabilities. And on the credit side, increase in the value of assets and decrease in the value of liabilities should be taken. And one more item it is that unrecorded asset on credit side, unrecorded liabilities on debit side should be taken here. So first adjustment is that depreciation of machinery. First adjustment is depreciate machinery by 5%. You should be calculate the depreciation on the machinery value. Machinery value in the balance sheet, it is 60,000 here. 60,000 value of the machinery. On that 60,000 you should calculate the depreciation at 5%. So here on the debit side to machinery value is 60,000 and on the 60,000 5% depreciation should be calculated. So 5% means here 3,000. Next adjustment is appreciate buildings. So appreciation means increase in the value of assets. So on the debit side, buy buildings Building's value in the balance sheet is 50,000 here. 50,000 in the balance sheet value, and rate of the appreciation is 10%. So it becomes 5,000. Next one, PDD. PDD is reduced to rupees 2,000. So one note I have to mention here. When reduced to in the, for the PDD adjustment, I want to show you one note here. When PDD in adjustment, that is reduced to is given, then as it is amount of PDD is taken in the account as it is. So in this problem, PDD is reduced to is given now. So that's why you should take it as it is amount, PDD amount on the debit side of the revaluation account. PDD amount debit side ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ PDD ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಲೆಸ್ PDD ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 3000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 3000 they given that. Those 3000 are given as a old PDD and that should be taken on credit side of the revaluation account. And new provision is adjustment PDD is new provision and balance sheet PDD is old provision. So new provision is on debit side and old provision is on credit side. So old provision ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3000 ಐತಿ, ಅದನ್ನ credit side ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ. And debit side ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ತೋರ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ PDD in adjustment that is reduced by, ಇಲ್ಲಿ by ಅಂತ ಐತಿ, reduced by is given, then difference amount of the PDD old provision and new provision difference amount ಏನಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ದಾಗ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ದೊಳಗ PDD reduced by rupees 2000 ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ 3000 minus 2000 ತಗೊಂಡು 1000 ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅತ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2000 ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನೋಟ್ ಫಾರ್ PDD. Note for it is PDD, provision for doubtful debts or provision for bad debts. So this is a note. So now third adjustment is a PDD is reduced to rupees 2000. 2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಂತ ಇದನ್ನ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3000 and new provision is the as it is amount 2000. ಬೈ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 3000 ಮೈನಸ್ 2000 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 1000 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ 1000 ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಟು ಬಿ ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಟ್ rupees 25,000. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ is 20,000. Now it becomes 25,000. So here investment value is increased. So increase in the value of asset is on the credit side. So by investments, how much increased here? In the adjustment value 25,000 is there and 20,000 balance sheet value. Now it is increased by rupees 5,000. 5,000 increase agitile investment dolga. So these are the adjustments given as a decrease in the assets and increase in the asset, decrease in the liabilities and increase in the liabilities. So this much is a revaluation account. In the adjustment, unrecorded asset is not given in this one. So that's why you should take total amount. How much total here? 5,000, 3,000, 8,000 and 8,000, 5,000, 13,000. 13,000 here. Here also 13,000 and 13,000 minus 5,000. It is here difference is 8,000. So this is a revaluation profit. So this revaluation profit is transferred to old partners capital account. To old partners capital account. Old partners are here Raja and Rani. What is the old ratio? 3:2 is there, no? So 8,000 into 3 divided by 5 and 8,000 2 divided by 5. That becomes 4,800 and 3,200. So this is the 8,000. Here you should 8,000 value. So this revaluation profit is transferred to credit side of the old partners capital account. So leave one line there to write the balance brought down by revaluation account. Revaluation account. So old partners only. Raja, for Raja it is 4,800 and Rani 3,200. New partner barangi revaluation profit. So now